If you'd like to stop your tour here, I wouldn't blame you. We've covered quite a bit and there have been lots of things to do along the way. Head straight back down the hill and your nearest station is the Cutty Sark. However, I'm going to keep going and show you just a few more quick things. Past the Greenwich Bandstand, built in 1891, you'll reach the Roman ruins, which is that. There was an excavation here in 1902 that revealed hundreds of 4th century coins. But in over 100 years, no one's really worked out what this was for, or actually why it was here, because Londinium, where the Roman Empire spread to, didn't actually extend this far. One of the theories is that this was a Roman temple and it was all the way out here because it was for travellers who were passing by. Another cool thing that you can't see unless you are in fact mole people is that underneath here are lots and lots of tunnels. And again, no one's really sure why they're here. One of the myths surrounding it is that it was a connection for the royal family between here at the Royal Observatory area and down to the palaces. But we shouldn't spread rumours. So this is Queen Elizabeth's Oak, and it was named after Queen Elizabeth, Henry VIII's daughter. It was said that she often came to rest underneath it, obviously when it was upright. But it was also said that Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn would dance around it too, back when they were a happy couple. It was planted in the 12th century and made it all the way till the 19th century when it unfortunately died. However, it stayed upright until the 1900s because ivy had grown up around it and was so thick that it just kept it standing up, until a storm in 1991. This is One Tree Hill. No, not the TV show. It's so called because there used to be just the one tree planted up here. However, that original tree decayed and died. This one is currently the one that was planted in 1905, and other trees were obviously planted around it. This is a really good spot if you wanted to come up here for a rest, if you wanted to come up here for a picnic, or just to take some fabulous snaps of this fantastic view. It's also a great place to end our tour. And now we've come to the end of the walking tour, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!